Hello, Zaradan from 2620 IsaacTube. Today we will discuss about how to create packages in NetBeans IDE. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like, comment, and share. So uh, while we have been exercising, we have been creating packages. By default, the package that we create is based on the reverse URL principle, but we can create and name a package whatever we like. So to do that, here we can say we can create a package here or inside here. So here to create a new package, we will say new package, and then we will call it com2 and finish it. So here we have got a new package under this one. We can create a new package here, and we can say this is the package that we have, and this is sub package. We can call it sub package. And so whenever we create a class here in this package, we will have the package specified here. Let's create a new one. Let's say package example, and we will have the package here. So it will be mentioned at the top of the file here. So as you can see here, the package is com2. So if you have an IDE which doesn't support picking package names as part of the system, you can create the package name. You can label the package name at the top of the file, and when we compile it, the compiler will create it for you. Now we can create a file, a class file here, and we'll have the package name specified as here. So if we create another package here, it will be considered com. So here we can create a new package. Okay, so it will be specified as com2 sub, and we'll finish it. So it will be part of the com2 sub package. So when we create here a class, it will be with this package name. So the system specified the package name here. So if you want to have a class in a separate package, you have to specify this one. Okay, so that's how you create the package name. So when you want to import the class in a specific package, you'll use the import statement below the package definition. Okay, it should be below the package definition. Here we will say import, then we will have to specify the com2, and here we can specify the class, okay, like this. Okay, so it will be imported like this. So we can call now new package example. That's one way of creating, importing the package. Otherwise, we can do it in here in the declaration by removing this one. Okay, so if we remove this one, the compiler will complain that there is no class called package example because we did not import it. So here we will say com2 package example is equals to com2 package example. Okay, so this is the two ways that you can import your package. And the last one is we can import the all classes in a package. For example, com2 star. Okay, so when we say com2 star, if we have got more than one class in this package, we will import all of them. So it's not a good practice to import all the classes in a package, because you will have all the classes imported and included in your file. So it's better to specify. If you want to import one or two class, it's better to specify the specific class. Unless you want to import a significant number of classes in that package, it's not good to use the star wild symbol. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.